The hosting aspect of Project Zulu has been there since the very beginning. So it's always been the intention that students who come out to South Africa will have that well-rounded, fully immersive experience of working but also living with local families.
So it was my wife's initiative to host the students from abroad.
Yes, our host is Caesar and her lovely family. So we have mum and dad, and then we have 2 brothers, but one's gone home, and a sister, and a little girl as well.
No, not now. Here we go. We are hosting Sasha and Polly. We decided to give them the Zulu names. Sasha is Mpilo, which means which means life. Then Polly is Tado, which means love.
I think inviting guests in and being super friendly is definitely part of like the Zulu culture.
Cooking for the family was really fun. They really liked it.
Yeah.
They want us to cook for them again. I really like the mornings, I think, the most, because everyone is in here busying around, making lunches, making breakfast.
Immediately, when I first got here, I felt a lot of warmth from the family, and I just immediately knew that these were friendly people.
Oh, I'm so sorry. When did that happen?
We brought Uno with us,
Yes.
and we've taught our family how to play Uno Flip, and it gets really competitive.
It's a good thing because we are learning from one another. There are many things that we know about UK now, and we have also told them other things that they didn't know about us.
And they have that sense of belonging and a feeling that they are in
They love that.
Africa. They love it.